The cordless Dyson vacuum cleaner was a game changer for me. It has 3 different suction gradients and it can be used on different types of floors, like carpets, stone floors and wood floors. The flexible head makes it easy to reach corners and small gaps. It also comes with different attachments for different uses and is very light. Once the Dyson is full, you can easily empty it out, and I love that no bags are needed. Here you can see how effective it is. The wall mount is super practical with a dedicated space for your favorite attachments, and the vacuum cleaner can be charged again and be ready for your next use. I absolutely love it.